Notably, expectations for tighter policy from the Federal Reserve this year have continued to pressure the markets. This is especially true for growth and tech stocks that have benefited from the early days of the pandemic. Today, activist investor Blackwells Capital is calling on Peloton, Nasdaq, to fire CEO John Foley and seek a sale of the company. The company's stock has fallen more than 80% from its all-time high as it struggles to deal with rapidly changing supply and demand. White House Chief Medical Advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci says that the Omicron variant-driven coronavirus cases appear to have peaked and are declining rapidly across the country. This comes after new cases in the U.S. reached over 1 million earlier in the month. Among the Dow Jones leaders, shares of Apple, Nasdaq, Apple, are down 1.67% today, while Microsoft, Nasdaq, MSFT, is also down by 1.88%. Home Depot, NYSE, HD, and Nike, NYSE, NKE, ticked lower on Monday as well. Among the Dow financial leaders, Visa, NYSE, V, and Goldman Sachs, NYSE, Gs, are trading lower at 2.24% and 4.09% respectively. Shares of electric vehicle, EV, leader Tesla, Nasdaq, TSLA, are down by 8.83% on Monday. Rival EV companies like Rivian, Nasdaq, RIVN, and Lucid Group, Nasdaq, LCID, are also down by 11.66% and 3.76% today. Chinese EV leaders like Li Auto, Nasdaq, Li, and Xpeng Motors, NYSE, XPEV, are also trading lower at 7.63% and 10.05% respectively. Dow Jones Today, Treasury yields and Fed's January meeting take the limelight. Following the stock market opening on Monday, the S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq are trading 1.95%, 1.66%, and 2.18% lower. Among exchange-traded funds, the Nasdaq 100 tracker Invesco QQQ Trust, Nasdaq, QQQ, is down by 2.31% on Monday, while the SPDR S&P 500 ETF, NYSEARCA, SPY, is also down by 1.92%. Today, the 10-year Treasury yield continued to retreat from last week's spike and is currently around 1.7%. Investors are closely following the Federal Reserve's timeline for raising interest rates and broadly tightening monetary policy. Officials have stated that they will do whatever is necessary to combat persistent inflation increases. Also, the Feds will hold its two-day January meeting tomorrow and on Wednesday. Furthermore, the first of the 4 rate hikes are expected to be in March. Read more: Best lithium battery stocks to buy now?